All right, gang. So part three, understanding candlestick patterns is extremely important. Like I said, constantly, I'm gonna keep saying it's extremely important as we understand that the market is constantly being brought and sold. Okay, buyers are pushing price up. Yellow candlesticks are going up. Black candlesticks are going down. Yellow candlesticks are going up. Black candlesticks are going down. You can see that they're all out through the market. All right, so it's extremely important that you understand candlestick patterns and just not the colors. We got to understand candlestick patterns. We have to put everything together. So we're going to be breaking out candlestick patterns right now in this video so you can see what's going on. You know, exactly. You have to understand bullish engulfing patterns. You have to understand bearish engulfing patterns. You have to understand these patterns, okay, in this market, because traders like to trade bullish engulfing patterns and bearish engulfing patterns a lot, okay, and bullish engulfing patterns means that a lot of traders are pushing what price up. When you see bullish engulfing patterns, when you see triple candlestick patterns, you know, three yellow soldier patterns. It's called three white soldier patterns, but it's three yellow stick soldier patterns. You have to understand this is a triple candlestick pattern. You see three candlesticks, three candlesticks right here. This is a triple candlestick pattern. So certain patterns, double candlestick patterns, we got single candlestick patterns, double candlestick patterns, and we have triple candlestick patterns. And you know, I trained in this market, you know, for 3 years. I study baby pips, everything. We're about to actually go to baby pips right now, so you can so you can see that for yourself. You know, and vice versa. You know, when you see bearish engulfing patterns, it means sellers. It means a lot of sellers are pushing price back down. We see bullish engulfing patterns, a double candlestick pattern, and bearish is a double candlestick pattern. Bullish mean going up. When you see a bullish engulfing pattern, double candlestick pattern, it means that buyers, a lot of traders, a lot of buyers are pushing price up. Bearish engulfing pattern, you see black candlestick engulfing a yellow candlestick pattern, candlestick. This is a double candlestick pattern that lets you know that a lot of sellers are pushing price back down. You know, and we're in a downtrend now. So it's extremely important to understand bearish and bullish engulfing patterns, single, double candlestick patterns, as this means that buyers and sellers are pushing price up and down constantly. So we have to understand this. As a trader, it's important that we understand this as a trader. Like your psychological level has to be on 100 when it comes to trading in this market. Okay, like you have to understand everything. You have to understand candlestick formations. You have to be able to recognize candlestick formations and recognize and identify them are extremely important. So when it comes to candlestick patterns and being shown to you and letting you know that these candlestick patterns are being shown to you, when these candlestick patterns are being shown to you, it'll let you know that price is reversing when you see a bearish engulfing pattern at the top of an uptrend. Price is reversing back down, and now we're heading back down. It's extremely important that you understand and you understand candlestick patterns. You know, as I've been in this market, I've been trading in this market for 3 years. You need to know and the market is going and when it's reversing. When the market is reversing, because you have to understand candlestick patterns, okay? That you can analyze the market and you can understand and analyze candlestick patterns and say, oh, okay, I know price is heading back down now, or oh, okay, I know price is heading back up now, heading back up now. So it's extremely important that you're able to analyze candlestick patterns. Okay, so I'm just going to be talking a little bit more, and then you know I'm going to show y'all some candlestick patterns, and then we're going to break this move down. Okay, at the top of the resistance, you know, at the top of resistance is our top at the top of a trend line. At the top of an uptrend, price will start to resist, will start to reject back down, and you know it'll make a candlestick pattern, letting us know that you know it doesn't want to go up to take profit 7. It's resisting this area, rejecting off this area, resisting off this area, and it'll show you a double candlestick pattern, a bearish engulfing pattern, a single candlestick pattern, a black Marubozo single candlestick, long candlestick pattern, that you know that sellers are in complete control. So you have to understand candlestick patterns and be able to analyze candlestick patterns and recognize candlestick patterns. I'll only be talking a little bit more. So important. I know you like me to break down the charts. I will be breaking down the charts in a second. So you understand candlestick patterns, how to analyze candlestick patterns is so important. So when price gets all the way up here, when it goes all the way up here, you know, when price goes all the way up here from take profit 1 to take profit 7, when it gets all the way up here and it keeps going up and up and up and up, it won't just keep going up and up and up and up. I mean, it could, but it most likely won't just keep going up and up and up. It will eventually get to a certain level, a certain resistance level, take profit 7 level, and then it will head back down. You know, extremely, you know, fast. As gold likes to move fast, you know, it will head back down. So when it gets all the way up to the top of resistance or top of uptrend, price will usually make a candlestick pattern at the top of resistance. Price will make a candlestick pattern, rather it be a shooting star pattern, rather it be a bearish engulfing pattern, an even star pattern, and then price will push back down. Okay, so after this video, you'll be able to recognize those candlestick patterns, as those candlestick patterns are constantly being shown. Rather it be bullish engulfing patterns, but we're only talking about the candlestick patterns for this move for if price gets when price gets all the way to at the top of the uptrend. These are certain candlestick patterns that are being shown. It's a shooting star, a bearish engulfing pattern, an even star pattern, a head and shoulder pattern, and the price is pushing back down. So we're going to break that down on baby pits right now. So it's major that you understand that these candlestick patterns are show that is a reversal is about to happen, and a major reversal is about to happen. And those candlestick patterns are now going to show you that price is going down. So once price gets all the way up to the top of the market, or to the top of a Fibonacci level, 27 extension level, or the top of a trend line area, or you see a break of a trend line area, or you see a break of the trend line, once the price breaks the trend line, we're heading back down. These candlestick patterns that I'm about to show you will show you once price gets to the top of a Fibonacci level, top of a take profit area, a break of a trend line area, top of a trend line area, these candlestick patterns will show you that, okay, price is now reversing. We're going to only go over the ones that are reversing right now, as price just got to the top of the area and now it's heading back down. And, then I'll show you the ones that are the ones to look for when price is low when you're buying. But since we're selling, we're looking for sales. These are the patterns that we will look for. All right, so these candlestick patterns that I'm about to show you are showing you that price is heading back down. So we have shooting star, even star, Marubozo, bearish engulfing, tweezer top, double top, and head and shoulder patterns. Okay, so when price gets all the way up to the top of this market or the top of these take profit levels, these candlestick patterns these candlestick patterns, shooting star, even star, Marubozo, bearish engulfing, tweezer top, double top, head and shoulder will be shown to you. And now you know that price is heading down. Okay, so we're about to analyze. I'll show you how to analyze these patterns in the market as well. But we need to understand these candlestick patterns when you get to the top of these levels, top of Fibonacci levels, trend line areas. These candlestick patterns will be shown to you and let you know that price is heading down, and we're looking for sales. Okay, so we'll go to the first one. Obviously, we'll go to the first one. We'll do shooting star first. Then we'll do bearish engulfing. We'll do even star, Marubozo, and we'll do tweezer top and double top and head and shoulder. All right, in the next video, gang. So extremely important that that we're able to understand candlestick patterns. I have a whole session on my YouTube too that on baby pips. I did baby pips on my YouTube. You can just check it out if you want to too. And it's always going to be there, and you can see the candlestick patterns on there as well. But we're going to break it down. We're about to go right to baby pips right now. In the next video, we're going to go to baby pips right now, and we're going to break down the candlestick patterns. So do not skip these sessions. Do not skip them. I know y'all like when I break down the market. And I'm about to be done talking about these candlestick patterns. I'm about to actually show you these candlestick patterns in the market, and how to identify them and recognize them when they're being shown to you in this market, so you can make the most money you can in this market. You can make a lot of money in this market once you understand candlestick patterns, take profit areas, Fibonacci, trend line, break a trend line. Yeah, you'll be able to make a lot of money in this market. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help y'all make as much money as I can in this market. All right, gang. So just make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be dropping a lot more content. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to get, once price makes these candlestick patterns at the top of an uptrend, at the top of our take profit areas, price is heading back down. You'll be able to see these reversal patterns and know like price is heading back down. All right, so I hope these videos help. I hope y'all understand that we're about to break down these candlestick patterns, and then I'll break down the market and show you these candlestick patterns in the market. All right, so gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang.